the students of Bhagwan, offer ourselves at the divine lotus feet of our beloved, loving God. With His divine blessings, we would like to offer at the lotus feet a drama entitled Bhakta Jayadeva. Jayadeva was the personification of Lalitya, Madhurya and Parabhakti. Sai Ram.
Yadi Hari Smarane Sarasam Mano Yadi Vilasa Kalasu Kutuhalam Madura Komala Kanta Padavali Shrunu Tada Jayadeva Saraswati Jayadeva Saraswati.
मणि मंडल मंडन भव खंडनये मुनि जन मानस हंसा जय जय देव हरे.
Jaya Jaya
Jayadeva is one of the greatest devotees whose love for God was pure, unsullied and strong. The path of self-realization is a lonely one. The bond between the devotee and his beloved Lord, the seeker and his destination, is unique. It cannot be understood, but can only be experienced.
Jayadeva pined for the darshan of his Lord, his master, Krishna, Govinda, Jagannatha, and in his search, he spared no efforts. His quest carried him from his hometown Kendubilva to the sacred temple city of Puri.
Neither hunger nor thirst affected his single-pointed concentration. Bodily exhaustion caused his feet to falter, but not his fervor. There was only one name on his lips: Krishna, Krishna, Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna. Of what use are these eyes that have not seen your divine form? Of what consequence is this life, Krishna? Take it away. Take it away, Krishna. Take it away. Take it away, Krishna. Krishna? Are you my Krishna?
Krishna. People call me by many names. You can call me Naval Kishore. I am a cowherd boy. Sit down. Sit down. You are thirsty, aren't you? Here, drink some water. Yes, drink. Drink. What is your name?
Me? My name? The name of this body is Jayadeva.
Jayadeva. Jayadeva? Are you traveling alone?
Alone? Me? No. I'm not traveling alone. My Krishna is in me, with me, around me. He's holding me by his own hands. But I don't see him. I don't see my Krishna. I don't see my Krishna. Pashyannapi cha na pashyati. Mudo,
What does that mean?
You see, and yet you do not see. I'm that fool. I'm that fool who sees and yet does not see.
You seem to be a Brahmin, and a mad one at that. You are hungry. Yes. Eat this curd. Very nice. Eat.
Krishnarpanam. It is tasty. It is very tasty.
Yes, it is the best of curd. Every day, I take it to Puri to sell it there.
Puri? Jagannatha? Krishna? Are you coming there too?
Yes, I would. But, you see, you have finished off all my curd. How can I go there? I cannot go today.
Please, Naval Kishore, please, take me there.
What is the use? I cannot sell anything. Why should I go there?
Kishore, I have never been to Puri. Could you take me there, please?
All right. You see, I have been to Puri many times, but was never allowed inside the temple because I am just a cowherd. But since you are a Brahmin, with you perhaps I too can go in. Just for your sake, I shall come to Puri.
I'm indeed grateful to you, Kishore. I'm indeed grateful to you.
Now, can you walk? Or you need more rest?
Rest? I can rest only after I have the darshan of my Krishna, my Jagannatha. Come, lead the way.
Yes, come. Let's go.
Krishna Krishna Murari Giridhari Govardhan Giridhari Maya Nataka Maya Nataka Sutradhari Maya Nataka Sutradhari Maya Manusha Veshadhari.
Naval Kishore? Naval Kishore? What are you doing there? Don't you know that no one should enter the sanctum? And what is that flute doing in your hand? Come out, Naval Kishore. Come out.
My friend, you seem to be in an illusion. There is none. but Lord Jagannath. And who is this? Naval Kishore.
Can't you see him there? With those peacock feathers, flute in hand, and that yellow robe. Move, Kishore, move.
Are you so much in love with God that even an illusion seems to be an obstacle?
An illusion? No. Can't you see him? Those peacock feathers, that flute, that yellow robe. Krishna, my Krishna. That was my Krishna. My Krishna came to me, and I did not recognize him. My Krishna came to me, and I did not recognize him.
What? You saw Lord Krishna? Friends, don't you see? He is a madman.
I don't find it amusing. It is better to be mad for God than to be mad for the world.
But madness is madness. He could not have seen Lord Krishna. I have been worshipping the Lord for years, yet I have not seen him.
God does not reveal himself to the vain and pompous worshippers, but to the pure and sincere devotees.
Yes. Yes. Do not judge a person by his appearance alone. My friend, who are you? Where do you come from? Did you really see the Lord?
Yes. Yes. I saw my Krishna. I saw my Krishna. I am Jayadeva. I am from Kendu Bilwa. On my way to Puri, exhausted, I fainted. And then a small cowherd boy with that same yellow robe, he came, he revived me, he brought me here, and I saw him there. I saw my Krishna there. I saw him there. Krishna. But now he has disappeared. My Krishna has disappeared.
Truly, he's a madman. Leave him, my friends. He will only prattle of his vision. If it was really the Lord, then let him prove it.
The Lord need not prove himself to anyone.
Let the man speak for himself.
Are you questioning God?
No, only the man's claim.
Enough. Enough. I saw my Krishna and I did not recognize him. Why do you fight amongst yourselves? Yes. Yes. I am a madman. I am mad. I am mad for my Krishna. I am mad for my Krishna. I am mad for my Krishna. Krishna.
नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तं तदधर मधुर मधुनि पिबन्तं त्वदभिशरण रभसेन वलन्ति पतति पदानि क्रियन्ति चलन्ति नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna.
हे जगन्नाथा, हे भावप्रिया, हे भक्तवत्सला, you have truly revealed yourself. Jayadeva, your song is a reflection of your soul.
Jayadeva, pardon my words. I was blinded by my ego and ignorance. It was indeed the Lord who revealed himself to you. Please forgive me.
Who am I to forgive you? It is the Lord Himself, the unfathomable ocean of compassion, the eternal expanse of grace.
Krishna Kripa Sagaram Jagannathapuram Janimoksharam Jagannathapuram Janimoksharam Krishna Kripa Sagaram Krishna Kripa Sagaram Muni Jana Vandita Murahar Balam Muni Jana Vandita Murahar Balam Murali Lolam Mukura Kapolam Ananta Sayanam Aravinda Nayanam Ananta Sayanam Aravinda Nayanam Vande Madhusudanam Krishna Kripa Sagaram Krishna Kripa Sagaram
Inspired by the vision of the Lord, Jayadeva proceeded to compose songs and set them to tune. The songs, being the expression of a soul in viyoga, culminating in some yoga with the divine, became the breath of one and all.
The songs and the music were so rich and melodious that the populace could not but dance.
राधिका कृष्ण राधिका राधिका कृष्ण राधिका तव विरहे केशवा राधिका कृष्ण राधिका सरसमशृणमपि मलयजपन्कं सरसमशृणमपि मलयजपन्कं पश्यति विषमिव वपुषि सशन्तं पश्यति विषमिव वपुषि सशन्तं राधिका कृष्ण राधिका हरिरिति हरिरिति जपति सकामं हरिरिति हरिरिति जपति सकामं विरह विहित मरणे वनिकामं विरह विहित मरणे वनिकामं राधिका कृष्ण राधिका
The agony and ecstasy of Jayadeva manifested in the great composition, the Gita Govinda. The Lord is the origin of everything. Yet, it is on rare occasions that He condescends to physically manifest Himself and transform words into eternal beacons.
Brother, you speak in riddles. Could you explain?
Do you know why the Gita Govinda is so special?
Well, I will, if you will tell me.
Listen, when Jayadeva was composing this great song, he came across a verse that confused him.
But which verse?
See for yourself.
My sweet Lord, this is the story of pure and divine love of the Jivatma for the Paramatma between you and me. This is the raga of Radha, who represents every individual pining for merger in you. Though you're all powerful, yet you are the slave of those who love you, who pine for you.
चारुशीले त्वमसि मम जीवनं त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम भवजलधि रत्नं त्वमसि मम जीवनं त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम भवजलधि रत्नं भवतु भवती मयि सततमनुरोधिनी भवतु भवती मयि सततमनुरोधिनी तत्र मम स्मरगरलखण्डनं मम शिरसि मण्डनं स्मरगरलखण्डनं मम शिरसि मण्डनं देहि पदपल्लवमुदारम् देहि पदपल्लव
What am I writing? Is this possible? Radha placing her feet on Krishna's head? Impossible. But did not the Lord himself send Narada to the Gopikas to get the dust of their feet for his pretended headache? I'm confused. Padmavati? Padmavati? Govinda?
Gurudev?
Where is Padmavati?
Gurudev? Mother is finishing the preparations for the Mahanevedyam.
Very well, very well. Govinda, I am disturbed. Nothing to worry about. I'll just go to the river, have a dip, after which I'll have my meal.
As you say, Gurudev.
How sweet are the feelings from the pure heart of my true devotee. These verses express the sublime attraction of Prakriti for Purusha and the pure love of the devotee for his beloved Lord.
Gurudev, you said you were going to the river?
Yes, I was. But a song came to me from the clouds floating in the sky and filled my heart. I decided to put it down immediately.
स्मरगरलखण्डनं मम शिरसि मण्डनं देहि पदपल्लव मुदारम्.
Govinda, I have finished my work and would like to have my meal.
At once, Gurudev.
प्राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदादिजः अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिर्पुनर्वसुः.
Govinda, I am satiated and would like some rest. Govinda, what are you doing? Has Padmavati already partaken of her meal? No, Gurudev. Then who has eaten the meal?
You, Gurudev. I was wondering how you came here. I just saw you entering your bed chamber.
Govinda, what are you saying? I'm just returning from my bath.
But then, Gurudev, I even saw you writing a verse. You said you had captured the song from the clouds.
Me? Writing a verse? Surprising. Let me see. Govinda? Govinda? It was not I who wrote these verses. It was not I who partook of that meal. It was the Lord Himself. It was Lord Jagannatha Himself. Oh, what greater vindication can there be that the Lord Himself has blessed my efforts. Dhanyosmi Krishna, Dhanyosmi, Dhanyosmi.
चंदन चर्चित नील कलेवर पीतवसन वनमाली चंदन चर्चित नील कलेवर पीतवसन वनमाली केली चरणमणि कुंडल मंडित कंठयुग स्मित श्याली केली चरणमणि कुंडल मंडित कंठयुग स्मित श्याली चंदन चर्चित नील कलेवर पीतवसन वनमाली हरिहमुक्तवधूनि करे विलासिनी विलसति केली परे हरिहमुक्तवधूनि करे विलासिनी विलसति केली परे श्री जयदेव कवेरिदमाद्भुत केशव कलित रहस्यम् श्री जयदेव कवेरिदमाद्भुत केशव कलित रहस्यम् वृन्दावन विपिने ललितम् वितरोतु शुभानि यशस्यम् वृन्दावन विपिने ललितम् वितरोतु शुभानि यशस्यम् हरिर्हमुक्तवधूनि करे विलासिनी विलसति केली परे चन्दन चर्चित नील कलेवर पीतवसन वनमाली
The king
Puri was himself a great scholar. He had also composed a poem which he named Gita Govinda. But the composition of Jayadeva was so soul-stirring and moving that the entire populace completely ignored the king's composition.
the king was hurt and felt belittled. It rankled to him as to why his composition did not find any recognition. Unable to find any way to make his own composition popular, he decided to confront Jayadeva and bring an end to this conflict in his own favor.
धीर समीरे यमुना तीरे बसती बरे धीर समीरे यमुना तीरे बसती बने वनमाली धीर समीरे गोपी पीन पयोदर मर्दन गोपी पीन पयोदर मर्दन चंचल कर युग शाली चंचल कर युग शाली धीर समीरे यमुना तीरे बसती बने वनमाली धीर समीरे श्री जयदेवे कृतहरि सेवे भणति परम रमणी.
What is the matter, Your Majesty? Why do you look so disturbed?
What else do you expect, Mahamantri? When I hear such an undeserving song being sung in the divine presence?
My lord, this song is from the Gita Govinda, the composition of Jayadeva.
Your Majesty, I am the court singer of the King of Gauda. In fact, I was sent here to learn at the feet of my Guru, Sri Jayadeva himself. And I deem myself indeed fortunate to have had this opportunity. I am the composer of Gita Govinda. The one that you are singing is tinsel compared to mine. I am well versed in the arts of music and poetry. And how can that uneducated rustic Jayadeva be ever compared with me? O King, pardon my words, but mere knowledge and expertise are of no consequence to anyone. Yours may be a work of art, but my Guru, Sri Jayadeva, sings from his heart. This is the song of the pining of a soul for God. And who can resist such mellifluous melody and its meaning?
Are you trying to say that our king's composition does not compare at all?
I must confess my ignorance, O King.
Our master's composition carries a seal of approval of the Lord. Lord Jagannatha himself has written a verse in his book.
I don't believe it. Why? Even I can lay claim to this.
Yes. Moreover, what is the proof of your claim?
How can we believe this? If this were to be accepted without any proof, anyone can compose anything and claim that God has sanctioned it.
Are you questioning what the Lord himself has created?
If you cannot prove it, then accept
that the composition is questionable. It has not been composed by Lord Jagannath.
Is there a greater poet and devotee of the Lord than myself? The Lord alone is the proof and the witness.
रासे हरिमिह विहित विलासं स्मरति मनो मम कृत परिहासं रासे हरिमिह विहित विलासं स्मरति मनो मम कृत परिहासम् संचरदधर सुधा मधुर ध्वनि मुखरित मोहन पंशं चलित द्रगंचल चंचल मौलिक पोल विलोल वसंतम् रासे हरिमिह विहित विलासं स्मरति मनो मम कृत परिहासम्.
Gurudev, the king. Are you Jayadeva, the composer of the Gita Govinda?
Yes. The name of this servant of the Lord is Jayadeva. But Jayadeva is not the composer.
Then who is the composer?
Lord Jagannath himself.
Ha! Then I too can claim that Lord Jagannatha is the composer of my Gita Govinda.
Yes, it is so. Whether you claim it or not, the Lord himself is the composer. He is the only Kartru. He himself is the Bhoktru. He creates and he enjoys. We are all but his instruments.
If that is true, then let the Lord himself be the judge as to which is the greater composition, yours or his majesty's.
Place the books at the feet of the Lord and close the doors.
As you say, my lord.
तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्.
The Lord has given his verdict. My master's composition is on his heart. He has claimed the authorship. He has claimed the authorship.
O King, your faith and devotion are indeed sincere. The Lord has answered your prayers.
Jayadeva, please forgive me. A true devotee would have never asked God of such a judgment. Bless me so that I have steady and pure love for the Lord.
May the Lord bless us all. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.
दयानिधिं सनातनसारथिं सुन्दररूपिणं मङ्गलं मुक्तिप्रदायकम् साईनाथं नमामि। आनन्दं तव दर्शनम् आनन्दं तव दर्शनम् अनुपमभिनवरूपम् आनन्दं तव दर्शनम् अनुपमभिनवरूपम् विकसितकुसुमं मृदुमधुभरितम् आनन्दं तव दर्शनम् विकसितकुसुमं मृदुमधुभरितम् आनन्दं तव दर्शनम् आनन्दं तव दर्शनम्। कुटिलितकेशं नीरजनयनं वदनं मतिमधुरं कुटिलितकेशं नीरजनयनं वदनं मतिमधुरं प्रीणति मे मनसु मुखम् सुरुचिरवचनं सुललितगमनं हृदयं करुणालवानं सुरुचिरवचनं सुललितगमनं हृदयं करुणालवानं प्रवहति प्रेमार्णवम् विकसितकुसुमं मृदुमधुभरितम् आनन्दं तव दर्शनम् आनन्दं तव दर्शनम् प्रहर्षितभावं प्रमुदितगीतम् अर्पितं तनुमनसकलं प्रहर्षितभावं प्रमुदितगीतम् अर्पितं तनुमनसकलं श्रीसाईशं सहृदशरणम् अविरतानन्द अनुबन्धं श्रीसाईशं सहृदशरणम् अविरतानन्द अनुबन्धं सबरि पमद पद दरि दरि मगरि दरि मगरि दरि पमरि दरि दस पद द सरि ग पम गरि ग म द नि द प रि द गरि रि मगरि द पम गरि मगरि द ग म नि नि द नि द गरि द नि द नि द म ग म पम गरि द गरि ग गरि ग गरि ग गरि ग ग म ग म ग म ग म ग म म नि द नि म नि द नि म नि द नि म नि द नि द गरि ग गरि द नि नि म नि द द नि द गरि द नि द नि द म ग म नि द म ग म गरि द गरि रि गरि रि गरि रि म नि विनवरूपं विकसितकुसुमं मृदुमधुभरितम्